Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about first the derivative of y. So now I want to show you how to answer. So if we do first the derivative of arctanx of s, we have 1 over 1 plus s squared. Later that we do second derivative of this one, so there should be about negative sign in here. And later that we do first derivative of 1 plus s squared in here over 1 plus s squared to the power of 2. And this one we have first derivative of s squared, we have 2s. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here, so we have 2s, and we keep the same of this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.